Alright, so this is normal idle. My air conditioning is off. And this is how it idles when I turn it on. It'll be normal, and then it'll drop. Idle all weird. The AC on, off, back to normal, and that also happens when I turn on the defroster. Yeah. So defroster off. Oops. And back to normal.